Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will do exercise unit number 1, subject physics. The first one is encircle the correct answer from the given choices. So it's MCQs type and you have to select one out of these choices. The number of base unit in SI system is dash. So the first A option is 3, B option is 6, and C option is 7, and D option is 9. So it's option A, option C, it's 7. There are 7 base unit. Number of base unit is 7. Which one of the following unit is not derived unit? So Pascal is derived, kilogram is derived, is base, Newton is derived, mole is also base unit. So which one of the following unit is not derived unit? So here two options is okay. This is base unit and this one is also mole. If we write MOL, then it is also a base unit. Amount of substance in term of number is measured in dash. Gram, kilogram, option A, gram, option B, kilogram, option C, Newton, option D, mole. So it's mole, option C. Number amount of substance is measured in mole. It's D option. An interval of 200 microsecond is equivalent to dash. It's you will write in place of 200 you will write 10 raised to power 2, 2 cross 10 raised to power 2, 2 cross 10 raised to the power 2. In place of micro you will write 10 raised to power -6. So when this one is solved with this one, you will get -4. So option C is the right option. This option is the right option. Which one of the following is the smallest quantity? 0.01 gram, 2 milligram, 500 milligram, 500 nanogram. So this one is the smallest one. 5,000. You will write 5 plus 10 raised to power 2 to the power plus 3 power zeros, and nano you will write 10 raised to power -9. -9. So this is the smallest one. Which instruments is most suitable to measure the internal diameter of a test tube? So first option is meter rule, second option is vernier caliper, the C option is measuring tape, and the D option is screw guard. So the best option is vernier caliper because it is designed to measure the internal diameter or the external diameter. So it will be more precise and accurate for the measurement of internal diameter of a test tube. The student claimed the diameter of a wire is this one, 1.032 centimeter using vernier calipers. Up to what extent do you agree with it? So he measured to 3 digit after a decimal place. and the least count of vernier caliper is 0. Least count is 0.01 centimeter. So it is accurate to 2 digit. It is precise to 2 digit. So we agree option C is the best option. Because it can measure accurately to 2 digit, not to 3 digit after a decimal place. A measuring cylinder is used to measure dash. So measuring cylinder, option A is mass, option B is area, option C is volume, option D is level of liquid. So option C, it's option C. A student noted the thickness of a glass sheet using a screw gauge. On the main scale reading is 3 division, while 8 division on the circular scale coincides using the index line. Its thickness is option A 3.8 centimeter, 3.08 centimeter, 3.8 millimeter, 3.08 millimeter. It's option D. It's not meter, it's millimeter. Option D is the accurate one if it is millimeter. Significant figure in an expression are all the digit, all the accurately known digit, option B. Option C, all the accurately known digit and the first output digit, all the accurately known digit and all the doubtful digit. It's option C, all the accurately known digit and the first output digit. In any measurement, significant figure, in any measure, the significant figure is the accurately known digit and the first output digit. Now, numerical problems. First, express the following quantities using prefixes. 5,000 gram. So you will write 5 and 1000. When it is multiplied, you will get this number. When 1000 is multiplied with this one, 1000 is equal to 10 raised to power 3. When 10 is multiplied 3 times, you will get 1000. And for this, we will use the prefix K. So 5 kilogram. Now you can see this is a very large number. So it should be written 2, 3 zeros at the beginning and then 3 zeros, totally become 6 zeros. So you will write 2 and 2. In scientific notation, you will write 2 cross 10 raised to the power 6. And for this, the prefix is mega, represented by M. So 2 megawatt. Here we will write 10 raised to power minus 1. This is minus 1. Sorry, this is plus 1. And this is 10 raised to power minus 10. And per kilo, we will write this one, 10 raised to power 3. Double prefixes are not allowed. So per kilo, we will write 10 raised to power 3. And for 10 raised to power minus 10, 10 raised to power minus 10. And here 5.2 for 52, we will write for this number. For 52, we will write this number. 5.2 cross 10 raised to power 1. Cross 10 raised to power minus 10 already present. and for k we will write 10 to the power 3. So we will get 10 to the power minus 9, and this will become 10 to the power minus 6. This is the resultant figure. Because here the bases are same, which is 10. So power will be added or subtracted accordingly. So 5.2 microgram. 10 to the power minus 6, we use this prefix. Mu called microgram. 225 plus 10 to the power minus 8. So 2.25, we will write this number is like this, and multiplied by 10. So 2.25 plus 10 to the power minus 6, because 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power minus 8, you will get 10 to the power minus 6. So 2.25 microsecond is the answer. How do the prefixes micro, nano, and pico are related to each other? Here, micro means 10 to the power minus 6, nano means 10 to the power minus 9, and pico means 10 to the power minus 12. Here, 1 pico is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 micro. Pico means 10 to the power minus 12. So, 10 to the power minus 6, or 10 to the, we will write 1 pico like this. 1 pico, I will write the symbol is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6. 12 is divided into 2 hellos. 10 raised to power minus 6. So for this we will use micro, and this will be written as it is. 1 pico is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 nano, because it is 10 raised to power minus 3 less than, when 10 raised to power minus 3 is added to my 10 raised to power minus 9, you will get 1 pico. Hence 1 pico is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 micro, and 1 pico is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 nano. So this is the relation. Here it is 10 raised to power minus 6 pico, 6 micro is equal to 1 pico, and here 1 pico is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 nano. Pico is the least one in these three. Your hair grow at the rate of 1 millimeter per day. Find their growth rate in nanometer per second. Nanometer per second. So growth rate is written. It is growth rate is 1 millimeter per day. So in place of 1 you will write 1. In place of milli you will write 10 to the power minus 3 per day. For per day you will write 30 per day. In 1 day there is 24 hour, and in 24 hour there is 60. In 1 hour there is 60 minute, and in 60 minute there is 60 second. So it will be right like this. So 1 cross 10 to the power minus 3 meter per day. So 1 cross 10 to the power minus 3, and 10 to the power 9 nanometer per day. It is, you have to convert it. If you want to convert it into nanometer per second, you will write this, because this this is plus and this is minus. So it's 10 to the power 9 nanometer per day means this one does not affect the equality. So you can make the changes which does not affect the equality. This not affect the equality, because when you write 2 cross 3 is equal to 6, it means like that that you divide this sides by 2 and this sides by 2, it will not affect the equality. So this is that type of change. So in place of 1 plus 10 is to power minus 3, here you will write that, then you will write 10 is to power minus 9 plus 9, and nanometer you will write, and then you will write per day. So per day you will write this value. So you will get the answer. So hence the growth rate will be 11.57 nanometer per second. Rewrite the following in standard form. In standard form, you will shift the point. You will shift the point from this place to this place. So you are going towards the left. So uh, power must be goes from minus to power to plus. So 10 raised to power plus 3 will be added to 10 raised to power minus 27. So it will reduce the power to 10 raised to power minus 24. Here, in this case, you are again going shifting the point from this place to this place, going from right to left. So power must be plus, so it will be increased. So 6, 5 will be increased by 1. Here, we also want to shift point from this place to this place, going from left to right. So again, the power must be minus 5, so it will become minus 3, because you want to shift the point 2 digit. Here we shifting the decimal place from left to right, so power must be more negative. It will become minus 10. You can see 3 cross 3 32 cross 10 to power 5 should be written 3.2 cross 10 to power 6, and the next one also you can see in the diagram. Write the following quantities in standard form. You will write it by yourself. You can see on the screen. You can write it in standard form. You can write 6400 kilometer. So here 6400 and kilometer, in place of kilo we will write 1000 and multiplied by divide by 1000 and multiplied by 1000. So 6.4. This one is not working. This one is wrong. In place of kilo you will write 1000 and here you will write meter. 6400 multiplied by 1000 meter. So in 1000, in place of 1000 you will write 10 is to power 3, and this one is 6.4. So here they have made a different change. You just remember that the point is here at this place. Shift it at this place. You will write the power 6.4 plus 10 is to power 3 kilometer. Simply write this one. Here the methodology is that multiplied, you can make changes which not affect the equality. So it is right 1000 and divided by 1000. So multiplied by 1000 divided by 1000, you can make these changes. So 1000 is written 10 raised to power 3, which is written in the multiplication, and with that the 1000 is applied to 6400. So you will get this number in standard form. Whether you make division or you shift just directly the point. For example, from this point we want to shift the point to this place to 6.4. Between 6 and 4 we want to write. So you are moving the point 3 digit. So when you are moving the point 3 digit, you will write 10 raised to power 3. So 6.4 multiplied by 10 raised to power, you will write the power of 10 from the number of digit you move the decimal, you push the decimal place. So it is 3 digit movement have been given. So 10 is to power 3 and kilometer. Here 380,000 kilometer. So simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit movement we want to give. So 3.8 plus 10 is to power 10 is to power 5 kilometer. These questions comes in MCQs. So just learn the methodology how to write. You can do this C option. You can do the D option also. So do it. and revise it. Uh, this is vernier caliper, it is zero correction. We will do this in next chapter. So for today, to 1.5, it's enough. Here it is written speed of light. It is written speed of light. It is 3 cross 10 is for 8 meter per second. So yeah, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You push the decimal place this from this place to this place. So you have pushed it 8 digits. So 10 is to power 8 is written. You can write 3.0 cross 10 is to power 8. Second in solar day. In a day, it is written like this: 86,400. 8.64 you will write. You push the digit 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 is to power 4 second. Thank you, students. It's enough. But before going into detail of the 1.6, 1.7, and 1.8, and 1.9 and 1.10, I will give you explanation a little bit of zero correction and zero error. Then we will do data, because it is. I feel that before you want to do the questions answer of Vernier caliper, numerical problem of Vernier caliper, you should revise the least count, the zero error. When you revise it, you will betterly understand. Otherwise, it will be used as. So do revise the zero error, and then we will do the numericals. For today, it's enough. So do revise and do work, do hard work. Keep on revising your physics. Wish you best of luck. Thank you, students.